I'm Christina. I'm a UX designer at Audi Design.
My name is Florian Schwantner. I'm an entrepreneur.
I'm Joris van Haver. I'm head of production, battery assembly at Audi Brussels.
My first impression is, wow, what a car.
The driver can expect a car with a range up to 600 kilometers.
Going up to 600 kilometers is really the game changer.
It's possible to charge this new model with 170 kilowatts. For the driver, it means you will be able to charge a car in about 30 minutes.
Power and design, that's really performance from Audi.
The user is in the middle of everything. With the MMI, you can individualize your car. You have different lighting, you have a different projection, and all this together makes your Audi unique. I think this is a nice car where you can see that the inside is connected to the outside.
I'm Joris van Haver. I'm head of production in the battery assembly at Audi Brussels. We are a certified net CO2 neutral production facility, and we are producing 100% electric cars in the heart of Europe. For us at Audi, it's about optimizing the power from the battery. This has been achieved by innovative developments in the battery cell chemistry itself. Energy management is essential to what we do. Conserving and recuperating energy are important. The driver can expect a car with a range up to 600 kilometers. It's possible to charge this new model with 170 kilowatts. For the driver, it means you will be able to charge a car in about 30 minutes. This, of course, saves our customers time and is even a greater convenience.
I'm Christina and I'm a UX designer at Audi Design. My job is to design a holistic experience, starting from the inside and going to the outside. The user is in the middle of everything. The virtual side mirrors are better for the aerodynamics, so your range will be positively affected. Now let's come to the inside. The rear-tail cockpit allows you to select between a lot of different layouts. For example, you can see the range. And with the MMI, you can individualize your car. Now let's play with the light projection. All this together makes your Audi unique.
My name is Florian Schwantner. I'm an entrepreneur. I'm kind of a business angel. My first impression is, wow, what a car. The LED lights and also the grille, you know, the one frame. It looks amazing. Power and design, that's really performance from Audi. When it's snowy, when it's icy, then exactly Quattro will make the difference. There is new technology visible everywhere. I usually prefer dynamic mode because that's just my natural being. But if I'm going long distance on the Autobahn, I really enjoy the comfort mode and all those features with the comfort mode combined. Especially in an electric car, range becomes very, very important. Going up to 600 kilometers is really the game changer. There's no reason why you would not drive an electric car, in my opinion.